So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Kohinoor Woodshire Bhugaon, which is located near Manas Lake Bhugaon and developed by Kohinoor Groups. In this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before getting into the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and gives you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में with the help of 3D model. The Kohinoor Woodshire will be constructed on 3.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 5 towers. Each tower will be having 2 ground plus 2 podium plus 21 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की। तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। आप देख सकते हैं मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में ये है इनका सेल्स ऑफिस एंड राइट बिहाइंड आपको मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. And now coming to the location part of the project is just located near Siddhi Vinayak Vihar, Manas Lake, Bhugaon, Pune. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट तो यू कैन ऑल्सो कनेक्ट फॉरेस्ट हिल shopping plaza within 400 meters and also Manas Lake within 1.1 kilometer and also Ryan International School Bavdan within 4.1 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project with the help of 3D model. The Kohinoor Woodshire project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, kids play area, swimming pool, jogging track, gym and many more. And now coming to the carpet area of the project, the Kohinoor Woodshire project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences and 2 BHK starting from 794 to 895 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 1121 to 1324 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1541 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Our booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model of the project and will share you the pricing and payment schemes along with the location tour. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kohinoor Woodshire Bhugaon, which is located near Manas Lake Bhugaon, Pune and developed by Kohinoor Group. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.